Here's our chance to see live images of the 2020 BMW M5 35 years Jahre edition anniversary, displayed at BMW Abu Dhabi Motors. BMW is building just 350 examples of the special edition to celebrate 35 years of the iconic M5. Of these 350, just 35 units are bound for the United States. All examples are finished in BMW individual frozen dark gray 2 paint, which in the images from last year looks very much like matte black, but under showroom lights appear significantly lighter. The interior is also rather special thanks to the presence of gold carbon fiber across the dashboard and center console. There is also exclusive black leather across most interior surfaces. Beautiful accent lighting, gold carbon trim of the door panels, and bespoke door seals that denote the limited edition model. The M5 edition 35 years Jahre is based on the M5 competition, which means its 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 delivers 617 horsepower and 553 foot-pounds of torque.